Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter here again out of Dallas, Texas. Welcome to my video, and what you're looking at here is the Power Lead system, and I faithfully promote the Power Lead system each and every day because this is what I love. I love this marketing system and I love marketing online. Once you join the Power Lead system, of course, you can join for $7 in Lead Lightning. That's the beginning part of the Power Lead system. The Lead Lightning is one-time fee, $7, and you don't have to go any further. But once you see the power in the Power Lead system as far as marketing concerned, you will think about upgrading as well. And you can upgrade, get your own domain from the system, become affiliate, which is a gold member, and all these was red when I first started. But when I paid the $7 for the Lead Lightning part, man, everything that was over here that was red, it's all green, as you can see. I even become a diamond member, and I did purchase the Social Profit Academy, the platinum purchase, and you can go over there and learn much more. But once you join up as a Lead Lightning member, you're going to get 2 links. Your back office won't look like this because you won't have upgraded yet, because this is the way that the Power Lead system looks. But you are still in. You got 2 referral links that you can use to promote your business or just to promote the Lead Lightning. This is referral link A, and this is referral link B. Referral link A promotes Lead Lightning by itself. And this marketing system, I state it all the time when I advertise, is perfect for beginners. And referral link A is going to promote Lead Lightning. When someone click on your link, this is what's going to come up. This is a lead capture page. A person that click on your link will put their email address right here, and you have messages that goes out through Lead Lightning on your behalf to promote Lead Lightning with referral link A. And once they join up for $7, you get $6 of that $7. This is referral link B. It looks the same as referral link A once it's clicked on, but it's advertising your primary business and Lead Lightning. If you have a primary business, you can put the link right here in this page right here and click update, and then you can start promoting this link right here. Okay, you might ask the question, then how am I to promote the links or the link? Okay, to answer your question, this is Leased Lightning. After you pay $7 to join the Lead Lightning part, before upgrading, you can come over here and get impression, banner ad impression. This is Leased Ad Space, and it's a database of buyers, people that has paid into this program and looking at different opportunities, and they have different opportunities, programs to promote. And not only Leased Ad Space members see your ad, you are outside of Leased Ad Space as well. You are on the internet where people go to the search engines and search, and they will find you as well. If you join Leased Ad Space, this is powerful. You get a blog that you can go to and make your personal blog. These are all the blog posts I've made so far, and it's out there on the internet. It's out there where people can see it. And even solo ads. You have solo ads. Let's show you how it works right quick. You have solo ads that you can get. You pay $7 for this. Where else can you start a business with $14? You get your marketing system with $7 that has a capture page, pre-written autoresponder messages that goes out to your people that subscribe to your capture page. Then you have a way to bring people to your link, to your capture page through Leased Ad Space. You can pay $7 one-time fee, and you are a lifetime member, and you can mail out solo ads every 28 days. Solo ads is when you buy off into a list of people that might want to see your ad, and you get exposure once you create your solo ad. And you're getting, for the $7, you're getting text ads, 4,000 impressions, banner ads, 8,000 impressions. These impressions is your link where people will see what you are promoting. And you can go on up the ladder. You can mail your solo ad out sooner, every 14 days if you pay the $17, 27 every 9 days. And of course, the top of the line, if you want to move on up, is the Red Diamond package, $147, where you will get 110,000 banner ad impressions. This comes every month if you're a Red Diamond package member. And text ads, you get 60,000 impressions every month. And the solo ads, every 2 days. I just mailed one out, emailed one out yesterday, so I don't email another one out until tomorrow. So that is it. That is it. And you will put your link inside of here. You have what you have. You have text ads that you can put inside of here. And you have your banner ads that you create a banner with. See all the impressions that I have left, unallocated impressions for my text ads. I have 25,000 left. For my 125 by 125 banner ad, I have 155,948 left. No, that's wrong. That's what I had remaining for them to see. I have this 125 by 125 unallocated impressions, 103,500. I still have that to use. And once you get started, it's simple. Just say, for instance, I want to put something on one of my 125 by 125 banners. I just choose one that I put in and just click the plus button and just add. Just say I want to put 5,000 there. Put 5,000 in that space, then click save. And I've added some more impressions where as people, okay, look at here. This is where I've gotten clicks. As you can see, I am getting clicks on my banners, on my text ads. And I have signed up people in a program that I put inside of here. I hadn't gotten signed up in a long time, and I'm not advertising it nowhere but in Leased Ad Space, and I have sign-ups coming in, so you know it's working. This is my last solo ad I did, and already I have 24 clicks on it, and the views has been 3 views, and the ones that open it, the amount of the ones that opened the blog was 67. It's been shown to 2,996. It's that simple. You come over here, you add your banners. You can come over here. You'll be instructed on how to submit your banners. Come over here. You put your title, the size of your banner, 468 by 60 or 125 by 125. You put your banner URL right here, and then you put where it's going right here. Your destination URL. And that's about it. Lead Lightning, which is the power lead system, $7. You'll see a page like this. Put your link inside of, you email it inside of there. Get started with your system. Sign up for Leased Ad Space. Both of these links will be at the bottom of this video. Lead Lightning, Power Lead System, and Leased Ad Space. Click on the link below to get started. My name is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. You all have a good day or night. Bye-bye now.